This is step, pardon me, step 9 of Mack the knife. We've just separated. We're still standing in line, but we're not holding on to each other anymore. Our hands are firmly planted on the sides of our thighs like this, and they need to stay glued there. So whether you have to imagine a magnet or glue or whatever, that's where they belong. They don't belong out here. They don't belong up here or out here. All right? Okay, so this has a pivot turn in it. We start with a flat ball change on the right, flat ball change, touch to the front, do not turn on the touch. After the touch, then you push yourself around, that's a pivot turn. Then touch to the front of yourself again, push. Then touch to the front. This time we're going to make a turn all the way around, so it'll be half of a circle. Step, step at the end. So it's going to look like this. So flat ball change, touch, pivot, pivot, step, step. Another thing that's going to be very important in the way that this step looks when we do it all together is when we do that pivot, you stop in a very definite place, and your head goes there. You look to that point. Okay, the first time you'll look to the right, step, touch, pivot. Let your head go with your body. Okay? It shouldn't anticipate the turn. It shouldn't follow the turn. It goes with your body. Touch, pivot. Again, same thing. Touch, pivot. So now you're looking straight at the back. Now the third one, your pivot goes all the way around back to the front. Touch, pivot, step, step. So if you can get yourself to remember to look in each spot and stop right there, it'll look very, very clean. Okay? So we do that on the right, on the left, on the right, on the left. It'll look like this.